Welcome to the University of Kentucky's Backyard Streams program. This presentation will cover challenges for urban streams and challenges for urban stream buffers. Urban streams have many challenges, one of which is impervious surfaces. These surfaces include streets, roads, driveways, rooftops, and any other paved surfaces that do not allow rainwater to soak into the ground. Increased runoff from impervious surfaces can contribute to stream bank erosion, flash flooding, and scouring of stream beds. Aging infrastructure can also impact urban streams. Sanitary and storm sewer systems in urban areas typically follow stream beds, as they are the lowest elevation in the landscape, and the sewer systems can use gravity flow to move water. The proximity of these utilities to stream buffers can result in increased erosion. Also, stream water quality is at risk of contamination by bacteria and other pollutants in the event of a sanitary sewer overflow. Historic planning may also threaten urban streams. Some communities may have allowed development within or too close to the floodplain. As development increases, causing more impervious surface area in the watershed, more flooding may occur along streams. These photos show an urban stream that has been piped underground. Over time, upstream development has increased runoff, and the buried stream pipe can no longer handle storm flows, resulting in flooding of nearby properties. The yellow arrow indicates the location of the pictures from the previous slide. You can see that the stream is surrounded by a residential subdivision. The homes directly adjacent to the stream experienced flooded lawns and basements for many years as development increased upstream. This is a zoomed out image of the same urban stream system. Increased development results in increased impervious surfaces, which translates to more runoff. This increased runoff can result in localized flooding and stress to stream banks. Regulations and local development policies, which are sometimes linked to historic planning, can also have negative impacts on streams. The picture on the left shows smoke testing being conducted to find problems in the sanitary sewer system. Poor planning and improper sanitary sewer and storm sewer interconnections in urban subdivisions can lead to untreated sewage entering streams. Although we often promote planting trees and shrubs along stream banks in urban areas, public safety concerns may prevent dense understory plantings along streams. The picture on the right shows an example of a stream that had become overgrown with bush honeysuckle and was being used as shelter by homeless people. After multiple incidents of public safety concerns, the property owners were ordered to remove the honeysuckle. Safety concerns should be taken into consideration when planning stream buffer restoration. Landowners and land users may have a wide range of expectations for streams. Some may expect streams to simply carry away runoff water, while others may expect them to prevent flooding, provide wildlife habitat, or provide aesthetics. The image on the left indicates expectations that the stream will stay within its banks and not flood streets, basements, or other property. The image on the right shows a stream that is expected to just be a ditch, one that will move water off of a parking lot but will not encroach on backyards. This homeowner likely expects this stream to carry away runoff without eroding stream banks. This homeowner expects the stream to stay in place and not bother anyone. The installed fence was likely to keep pets enclosed in the yard and out of the stream. It also serves as a deterrent for people. It indicates a desire to avoid the stream. Everyone in this picture has different expectations. One person is an educator and is looking for opportunities as an outdoor classroom. One person is a watershed coordinator and is looking for ways to improve the stream for ecological function. One person is a homeowner and is interested in keeping the stream out of his backyard. The installer of this sign expects visitors to stay out of the stream due to historical instances of fecal coliform levels unsafe for human contact without the risk of getting sick. These students expect to safely explore and investigate the stream. Now that we have explored a variety of challenges and expectations for urban streams, let's take a look at a few streams that are challenged. This stream is challenged by channelization that concentrates runoff from the watershed above into a culvert. Where the stream daylights, or opens up to the environment out of a piped stormwater system, the stream channel makes a turn and the receiving stream bank is eroding from the stress. The gabion baskets filled with rocks are an effort to stabilize the stream banks. This is another angle of the same stream in the previous slide. This is an unfortunately good example of eroding stream banks and gabion baskets used as reinforced bank material. This urban stream has some protection by trees on the stream banks, but portions are mowed to the edge. A lack of vegetation exposes stream banks and can cause erosion. This stream has become a dumping area that is essentially forgotten. Perhaps the gravel piles were supposed to help stabilize the bank, or perhaps they were left to be returned to nature. Sometimes people have some inaccurate assumptions about what nature is and how it functions. This stream is challenged in a number of ways. There are obvious stream bank erosion issues shown here. We can see steep vertical stream banks and exposed plant roots. It is also surrounded by a city park and a residential subdivision, which limits its ability to access its floodplain. And the understory vegetation is dominated by exotic invasive species. Although we have explored many examples of challenged urban streams, it is important to remember that healthy streams and stream buffers offer many benefits. Stream buffers filter stormwater, protect stream banks from erosion, reduce flood damage downstream, provide wildlife habitat, provide shade to streams, and improve aesthetic value of landscapes. Despite the many challenges our streams and stream buffers may face, there are lots of opportunities. By learning more about your local watershed and backyard streams, you can help make a difference in your community. Be sure to check out the other topics in our Backyard Stream series. Thank you for completing this webinar on urban stream challenges. To learn more about backyard streams, check out the publications and additional information sections at www.uky.edu/BAE/backyard streams.